Open your Meta Ads Manager dashboard. Now let's create an ad, for example. Click on this create button. You will see all the ad objectives here. Let's use one for example. Let's assume we want to create the sales ad. You can use any objective depending on the type of ad you want to create. Okay, so you select the sales objective here, then click on this continue button down below. Now, this is a secret that a lot of marketing agencies will never tell you. The new Meta Ads Andromeda update is banking more on ads than ad sets. So you have a lot of work to do at the ad level. Take note of that. That is to say that with your broad audience targeting, it will work for you. Now, let me walk you through the system and show you exactly how you need to set up your ads henceforth. Let me just call it sales. I will copy this name, okay? After naming the campaign, add campaign details, you don't need to change anything here. I believe you're already familiar with this process. We are not doing catalog ad, so leave this off. Scroll down. Now, at budget, we are going to be working with CBO, that is campaign budget optimization. Now, if you're using campaign budget optimization, scroll down, you will see budget here. For budget strategy, we are going to be using campaign budget optimization. That is called CBO. What that CBO means is that Meta will automatically distribute your budget to the best opportunities across your campaign. We are going to be using just one campaign here. Before the Andromeda update, we were duplicating the ad sets. That is because we were testing different audience targeting. But now we are going to be using one ad set and we shall be using broad audience for that ad set. So because of that, we shall be using CBO, that is campaign budget optimization. So select campaign budget here. I've tested this for up to 5 ads and they work very fine. Okay, let's continue. For daily budget, we shall be using 10,000 naira here. You can use your own daily budget depending on what you have. Look at your marketing budget and impute your daily budget here. Daily budget means how much is going to be spent per day on this campaign. So scroll down. For A/B test, leave it off. Scroll down. The ad we are running is not categorized under special ad category. I believe by now you already know what special ad category means. If you're a complete beginner to Facebook ads, there is a video for beginners. I will drop the link at the description of this video. So watch that one so that you understand better. This one is for those who already know how Facebook ad works before the Andromeda update. Then scroll down, you will see next at the right hand side here. Click on next. And that will take you to the ad set level. For ad sets, you are still going to name your ad set right here. I will call it sales, just the same name I use for my campaign. Then scroll down. For conversion location, this simply means where you want your prospects to go to when they click on your ad. That is what conversion location means. So there's a drop down button here. Click on this drop down button and you will see single. There is multiple here. I don't advise you to use multiple. Some people have tested multiple and it works for them, but single has always been very, very specific for me. So I'll go with single location here. There's a drop down button. Click on it. And if you're using website, please go with website. If you're using message destination, that means you want prospect to go to maybe your messenger, your WhatsApp. But if you're using message destination, then you can go with message destination. That means you want prospect to go to maybe your messenger, your WhatsApp, or your Instagram DM. So use any of these locations depending on your own strategy. So let me go with websites since I am using websites. Then you will see performance go here, maximize number of conversions. That is for website. But if you're selecting message destination, ensure that you use maximize number of conversations. That is for message destination. But since I'm using website, use maximize number of conversions. I hope you understand. Yes, sir. Then the next thing is to create your pixel. I've done a separate video on pixel creation and integration. Go and watch that video for pixel, which is now called dataset. Then scroll down, you will see cost per result. For cost per result, you don't need to set any value rules here. So drop the value, just leave the value rules, then scroll down and you will see budget and schedule. For budget and schedule, this is how much that you want to spend, which we have already set at the campaign level here because we are using CBO, which is campaign budget optimization right here. So we have set that here. For ad sets, you don't need to set the budget again. Just go ahead with your schedule. So for your schedule, that is how long you want your ad to last and to what duration. For this particular ad is starting on 25th of November and you can set your end date here. Just click on date. When you click on set an end date, you will see your calendar here. Click on the calendar and you can set how long you want it to last. For my own recommendation, I will suggest that you allow the ad to run for a minimum of 5 days. So at least 1 week will be fine. Count the day from the start date to 1 week or 1 month, depending on how long you want your ad to last. So if you are counting it by 1 week, you have to include the day that ad is starting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is going to be 30th. So set yours depending on how long you want your ad to last. Then for the end time, you can use 11:50 p.m. Okay. If you're using 24 hours, then it has to be 23:50. But if it is 12 hours time, then you can now use 11 p.m. Okay. So depending on your own time zone, this is West African time zone. Set it according to your time zone. Okay. Then scroll down. You will see show more settings here, and there is no more settings you need to set there. So just ignore it, right? Then next thing is audience. This is what I was talking about, the audience control. For now, you're expected to use broad audience. So when you select location here, you can just use cities. I prefer cities. You can just use cities here. If you use Abuja here, then select other cities, maybe up to 20 maximum. If you want to use 3, you can use 3. If you want to use 1, you can just use 1. If maybe it's a physical product and you're selling in that specific city, you can just use 1. But if it is up to, let me say, a digital product, then you can target maximum of 20, okay? So after selecting your locations here, let's scroll down and you will see show more options. So you can just use the audience suggestion here. Then click on show more controls. For show more controls, you can see the minimum age, which is 18. Okay. Then go ahead and set it to the amount you want. You can use maybe 20, 25, or 22, right? Then you can select 25. If you don't want to use 25, then maybe you can use 22 or 20, depending on the one you want. So for minimum age, you can just select the minimum age here. You can use 22, 25, depending on the, or 18, depending on the kind of product you are selling. In my own case, I'm using sales, so I will select 25 right here, okay? After setting the minimum age, scroll down, you will see show settings under suggest an audience. Here you will see that this show settings here, if you click on show settings, the other age here and gender is still bent under suggested audience. That is to tell you that the Andromeda update is smart enough to show your ad to audience that they feel is going to do better. Nevertheless, for your suggestion, go ahead and set your audience suggestion, okay? So I can leave it at 55 because of the type of product I am selling here. Then for gender, it's for male and female, so I'll leave it at all. You don't need to bother yourself with detailed targeting anymore. Nevertheless, you can test it. I have tested mine. Maybe it may work for you, but with this Andromeda update, detailed targeting is not necessary. After setting this audience based on location, gender, and age, just go ahead with your placement. I will still tell you to set placements because placement still works, okay? For placement, just click on this show more settings here and you will see all devices. If you're targeting Nigerians, I will always advise you to remove the desktop placement. So just click on all devices here and remove desktop. Just leave it on mobile. But if you're targeting America, Europe, Asia, then you can leave it on desktop, okay? Then scroll down. For platforms, there is no need for you to target on threads. Just remove threads, remove audience network, remove messenger. You can target with Facebook and Instagram depending on your budget, okay? If you're using a very small daily budget, then remove Instagram and leave it on Facebook, okay? If you're running Instagram ad, then leave it on Instagram, right? Then that is for the ad set level. Click on next. Now at the ad level, still give your ad a name. After giving your ad a name, scroll down, you see identity here. Select the page you want to run your ad on. After selecting the page, scroll down. Now we are at the ad setup. You can create your ad or you use existing posts, okay? You already know all this. This is where the Andromeda update comes in. If you scroll down, this is creative testing. For this creative testing, you can now test up to 5 different creatives. If you click on this setup tests, it is going to show you how many creative that you want to test, okay? Now, this is where you need to pay attention. How many test ads do you want to create? That's why I tell you that the Meta Andromeda update is now focusing more on creating ads than the audience targeting that you were focusing on before, okay? So imagine we are testing up to 5. You are going to input 5 here. When you input 5, it's going to ask you next, how much for your budget should go to test ads? You can see that the CBO, which I was using, is 10,000 naira. So I can use this to test it. What Meta will do is to distribute this budget across the 5 ads. That's what they will do. You can see we will aim to spend an average of 10,000 naira per day across test ads. If your campaign only includes test ads, they may receive more of the campaign budget. Then you will see how long do you want the test to run. You can count the number of days here. maybe 7 days, or you reduce the number of days you want to test this ad. Okay, then you can compare performance maybe based on reach or based on particular conversion. Just select the one you want here. Since I'm running sales ad, I will want to compare based on cost per purchase. Okay, so you can compare your results based on cost per 1000 account center reach. That is based on reach. Okay, or you click on this drop down button and compare it based on cost per conversion. Since I'm running for sales, I can compare it based on cost per purchase. Okay, so that is how you set this one, and you click on this confirm button. When you click on the confirm button here, it is going to duplicate this ad into 5. So you set each of these creative differently. Can you see them here? Look at them on the left hand side here. You click on each of them and set it one after the other, different creative. So now this is where the work comes in. You have to create maybe image or video up to 5, or if you're doing 3 testing, you can create 3. If you're doing 2, you create 2, but I advise you do from 3 up. Now, in creating this creative, you are going to be using different selling points, different selling or marketing angles. For one, you can address it to people who are at the awareness stage. For another, video or image, you can address it to those who are already at the awareness stage, those who are at the consideration stage, and another you can create based on those who are at the desire stage. Okay, so that is to say that for your product, you are going to use different marketing angle. Okay, for instance, if I'm selling Facebook ads course, I can sell it to those who are learning Facebook ads based on income. They want to use it as a side hustle. I can also do another video targeting business owners who want to use Facebook ad to sell their product or services. Okay, you can see this is 2 different marketing angles. I can also go ahead to sell these Facebook ads to those who are learning a skill to enhance their workplace, those who are looking for jobs. Okay, so that is 3 marketing angles that have already sold the same thing. So that is how you are going to sell your product or services, using different marketing angles for your creatives for the testing. Okay, if you don't want to use creative test, another way to go about it is you can go to this ad level here, click on this drop down button. You see the menu here, then you will see this duplicate option. Click on duplicate. Okay, and you can duplicate it to 3 or 5 depending on the number of testing you want to do. So I'm duplicating to 5 now. I'll just click on create duplicate. You can see it's duplicating it. Now you see all the duplicates here. So I'll create the 5 ads separately and I will publish all of them for the testing. Then I'll compare the test and turn off the ones that are not performing well, leave the ones that are performing well to keep running. So that is how the testing stage now works. After testing, you go ahead and scale or optimize the ones that are working well. If you want a personal training to teach you specifically how you can sell your own product and services using this Andromeda update, then you see my phone number on the screen. You can call or send a WhatsApp message and we get started.